Military occupational specialty, culinary specialist.
I worked in my family's restaurant for 15 years, but I knew that the Army could take my skills to a new level and give me the certifications I wanted. It's been an amazing experience, and I've gotten to travel the world and serve soldiers.
No matter the location, meal, or occasion, the preparation and service of food is the primary responsibility of the culinary specialist. After successfully completing 10 weeks of Army Basic Combat Training, you will attend 8 weeks of Advanced Individual Training at Fort Lee, Virginia, where the Army will train you to prepare and serve hearty meals, both in garrison dining halls and various types of field kitchens.
We try to focus on providing the most nutritious items to soldiers to really fuel energy and prepare soldiers for physical fitness.
You will be instructed in knife sharpening, cutting, scaling, and weighing procedures. You'll also train to prepare a variety of foods, ranging from breakfast foods, salads, and desserts, to pork, poultry, and seafood. After your advanced individual training, you'll work as part of an essential team where your duties may include dining facility administration and operation procedures for specific kitchen equipment. Culinary specialists are also responsible for field kitchen operations using the Army Field Feeding System.
I like setting up the mobile kitchen trailer. It's hard work sometimes, but when you actually see how it goes from a tiny box to this big kitchen, and you're just like, wow.
You will have the opportunity to expand your culinary skills with opportunities to earn certificates and work as a member of a team to completing culinary competitions.
The significance of culinary competition is really gives us an outlet to hone our skills and to keep ourselves sharp. So really, it's an opportunity for you to show off your creativity, to challenge yourself, put yourself up against, the best of all branches of service.
The skills learned and refined as a culinary specialist can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector.
So the opportunities that culinary specialists will have after the Army is they will have gained experience as a cook while they were here. And also they have the opportunity to go through a credentialing program through the American Culinary Federation where they can get their certification.
As a culinary specialist in the Army, you will develop new skills in food preparation, no matter if you have no experience or you are a seasoned veteran. Military occupational specialty, culinary specialist.